Welcome to this VB.NET Advanced Programming project. In this tutorial, we will create a university student management system using classes and objects. This project demonstrates the power of object-oriented programming by creating multiple classes that represent real-world objects. The student class stores important information such as student name, age, course, and marks. The system automatically calculates grades and scholarship amounts based on student performance. The university class manages multiple student objects using collections, allowing the system to store and display student records efficiently. Throughout this project, we use constructors, properties, methods, and object relationships to build a complete management system. Users can enter student details, create objects, process information, and generate a complete student report. This example shows how VB.NET classes and objects can be used to develop practical, real-world applications. The complete source code is available in the description.